Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is Veldog and this is my kitchen, where I'll be teaching you how to make a restaurant quality foods or better, from my home to yours. So stay tuned in and let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block I'm going to be making you a bacon cheeseburger dog in my Nuwave oven. And the link will be at the bottom. So if you guys want this particular one, costs $116 with tax. All right. So it's an extender on it as well. See, it comes up like that. This is the top part. This is the ring. This is the extender part of it, and you get 2 racks. And when I bought the other one, I still have the other one too. When I bought that one, it was like 150 bucks, but that was a while ago. So we're gonna be making these dogs on here. So I'm gonna be using the extended ring for these. All right. So let's jump right into it. Let me move this stuff out the way. Hold on. Before I move it out the way, let me tell you what I got. All right. This is some homemade seasoning that I made. You can use salt and pepper and onion powder and a little garlic if you want to. This right here, I can't give you the ingredients to this because I'm planning on selling it one day. So, but I will share it with you once I get it on the market. All right, we have some onion right here. These is like the crispy fried onions. Right here in this foil is bacon. All right, so we're gonna be breaking that up in pieces. I have a tomato. I have some cheddar cheese. Right here is some American cheese. I didn't want it to dry out, so that's what we have right there. We're gonna put that on there once the dogs get done. We have some pickles right here. I have some Worcestershire sauce right here. I have a head of lettuce, 2 eggs. Sure that don't go anywhere. A pack of crackers, which we only gonna probably use, we might use the whole pack. I have some 80-20 ground beef. I think this is 2 pounds right here. I have 2 of those. And these was like $6.73 and this one $6.61. And I have some buns. Right here, you can use any type of buns you want. Also, I have some ketchup. All right, so those are the ingredients that I'm gonna be incorporating in these bacon cheeseburger dogs. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and move this stuff around, and I'll be right back in a minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. I'm just trying to put this glove on because I have to touch the camera. So you guys make sure you practice safety. Right now there's a lot of stuff going on, so I don't want to risk any of that. So I'm just going to put this cheese in there. This is probably like 1.5 cups of cheese, cheddar. Just like that. I'm going to come in with some ketchup, like 1 cup, or 1/2 cup rather. That's about a little bit more. Right, Worcestershire sauce. Open that up like that. Okay, let's go 1, 2. So we want to use at least like a 1/4 cup of this. All right, so that's about enough. And we take our eggs, 2 eggs. Put that in the garbage. All right. Now, I'm gonna come with some of this seasoning. I'm gonna season it twice, so I'm just trying to get it around here on the meat a little bit. What I like to do, to lift it up a little bit. I could have did this first, but I didn't. So make sure you season your meat well. that back over here. Alright. I'm going to come with these crackers. See, I should open up the crackers first. So I put the crackers in there, and all I'm doing is just stirring it around like that. I put some more seasoning on it. And this is all you're going to do for, I don't know, till you think it's well incorporated. So, and I might want to add me a little bit more ketchup to it. Add a lot of flavor, guys. Alright, we're going to put another one, so this will be about a cup. That's it. So yeah, that's all you're doing. You also can use some milk too if you wanted to. I'll show you another recipe on that. Alright, we're going to sit here and let this rest for about a good 5 minutes. Let all the seasoning incorporate in there real good. And we'll be back and we'll roll this stuff up. Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. This is the burger dogs right here. And all I did, I'm just showing you what I did, because it's going to be a while. Okay, I just grab a handful like that, and you know how you make a hamburger? Put it together like this, and then you just start forming like this. Put it on the board, just start rolling, pack it in, roll it, just like this. It's nothing hard. Time consuming, but it'll be well worth it. I guarantee you do. It will. So this is all you're doing. See that? I ain't did nothing hard, did I? Look at that. Pack it a little bit more. You want to be pretty and all that good stuff. And there you go. That's it. Some is bigger than the other. This one's a little bit smaller, but it'll work. These, remember, these is going to shrink down too. So that's all I did, and that's how I formed them up, okay? I really want them about this size, actually. So I'm going to probably use that same method. And I will season them again, and I'll show you what we'll be doing next in a minute. Okay, guys, I am back. I seasoned the bottom. I'm just going to lightly season the top. So that you know, this is my first time making these. So, and I'm not complaining. I already know this is my first time making a lot of stuff that I've been putting out, but it is what it is, right? So we're just going to put our extender ring on there, like so. Alright, I think that's it. And then here's our other thing, our top piece. I'm just going to put that on there right there. We're going to cook this for about, I want to say 15 to 20 minutes. And then this is brand new, by the way. I still got the thing on there and everything. So yeah, I will have a link down in the description to get you one of these. I got the other one, the old one, like I said before. But we're going to see how this works. Never used it before. This will be my first time using it with you guys. So stay tuned in. And I'm going to plug this up. Let me go ahead and plug this up now. Wait. This is what we're going to do. Come up here to the top. Let's see. That's the cook right there. Then that's 350. That's the highest this go. Okay. Then we want to put it on cook time. I'm going to go ahead and go with the 15-minute mark. Then push start. Alright. So that's all we're going to do. And we come back and see how these things turn out. See you guys in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. Take this thing off. I did let it sit and rest for a second. But came to a conclusion that I'm gonna get this bacon to sit on there. So what I'm gonna do, move this to the side, is take this cheese. So I can move this off. Take this cheese and put it on there so we can melt that down some. So we can scoop this one over here. Put some cheese on there. Best solution I could come up with. I should have put it in the oven. I wanted to use this Nuwave oven. Then we'll take us some bacon. Like put some bacon on there and stuff like that or whatever. Think that's good enough. And we'll take the other one. Put this right back on top of there. Like so. Scoop these together. Like so. Take our cheese and put that on there. And we're going to cook this guy for about maybe 1 minute. Because it don't take that long for the cheese to melt. Alright. Then we get our extended range again. Put that back on there. Put this back on top of there. Like so. Plug this back up. Put it on 1 minute. Wipe my fingers off. Cook time. Well, temperature. Cook time. 1 minute. That's it. Alright, see you guys over there in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. We're going to start with our mayo. Now this is optional. You don't have to if you don't want to. You know, you can just put you some mayo in there. You gotta be a whole bunch. I am using Hellman's for you guys that want to know. You can use any type of mayo that you prefer. Okay. Just like that, guys. Alright. We're going to grab us some lettuce. If I can get it to act right. Take us some lettuce. And like cradle it down up in there like that. But before we do the lettuce, I'm going to take that off. Throw a little mustard and ketchup on it. Okay? And we'll take our lettuce and put that in there. Like so. Alright? That's how you're going to do it. So, I know you guys don't want to see me doing this the whole time. So, I'll get to the point. A little lettuce. Just go ahead and do one. So you guys can go ahead and see what's going on. I'm going to move these to the side. Alright, get our meat. I'm going to stick that on there like so. Stick that one on there like so. I'm using not a toothpick, but a chopstick. Alright. We're going to come with a tomato. On this particular one, you can get 2 or 3. I mean, 2 or 1. Just depends on how big your tomato is. And I'll take some onion. I'll put some of those in there. Just like that. I wanted some real onions too, guys. Alright, then we take our pickle. Throw your pickle on there. Just like that. Take you some of these onions, fried onions. Throw you a few of those on there. Okay. And there you have it, right there. A deluxe. Let me zoom in for you guys. There you go. There you go, guys, right there. You want a bite? There you go. Go ahead and bite that right there, guys. All right. Okay. So this is a Bacon Cheeseburger Deluxe. Bacon Cheeseburger Deluxe dog. I should have said. So guys, if you like this video, please tune in to the next video. And please, please, come around here. Come around here. Please, guys, subscribe, like, share, comment, and please tell all your friends and family to tune in to Veldog's Kitchen, where we'll be making restaurant quality foods or better. And please hit that bell, guys, so you too can be notified the next time I upload another delicious recipe. You guys stay safe out there. I know you guys locked in. I'm locked in. So you guys be good and try to stay away from people. Give you 6 feet and keep your hands washed, guys. All right? And I'll see you guys next time in Veldog's Kitchen. See you guys in a minute.